Most people start their day with a nice cup of coffee. Everybody can use the machine, but do everyone know how it actually works? Today I'm going to tell you about working system of coffee makers. Start your coffee making by pouring the water into a water container. And after that, dose the coffee grounds. The heating element warms the water that you have put into water container. The boiling water starts to rise the one-way tube. The valve in the tube prevents water going back down. The water flows up the tube and drops on the waiting coffee grounds. The hot water streams through the coffee grounds and cuts the taste of coffee. The nice fresh coffee is ready and in the coffee pot. The heating element under the pot will keep the coffee warm as long as needed.